Hey guys, Kalila here, and welcome to another video. This week I am focused on getting so much of my skirt done, okay? My skirt is, I'd say, more than halfway done. I am continuously working on the stockinette portion of the skirt. Yes, you can see a huge divide in the dye lots, but listen, I'm not someone who cares about that. I know that a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, it looks so bad when dye lots just change drastically. I don't think so, and I don't care. So today I decided to wear my novice slipover. By the way, looks so good. I used hand-dyed yarn. I used 2 strands of fingering weight yarn and 1 strand of mohair. And that was my first time using hand-dyed mohair. Oh my gosh, it was so luxurious. Anyway, I am going to spend this week trying to actually finish the skirt, okay? Today is Saturday. It is June 1st, and I think I started recording yesterday. Yesterday, yes, because I'm trying to do like Friday to Friday. So I am going to do a bit of filming for some other things and then come back to this skirt and just basically knit the rest of the night and see how much progress I can get. I keep looking at my calendar over there, seeing how much progress I can get, and then have 1 full week of just knitting on the skirt. And I believe I can finish it because I'm already, I think, a little more than halfway done with it. So let's see. Hello. Alrighty, I have finished my 3rd skein of yarn. And I did say that once I finished the 3rd skein, I would start on my top. But the 4th skein, like, I'm almost done with the skirt. Okay, let me show you. It's literally at my knees. I can't believe in my last video I said, I want to be done with this by the end of, like, I hope it can get to the end of my knees. Like, okay, it's already there. You can't even see for real. Whatever. It doesn't matter. It's already to my knees. Yeah, like, oh, hello. Yeah, it's just slightly over my knees. And I'm trying to get this to my shins, which means I have, let me measure it. Which means I have about 12 more centimeters to knit before I do, ooh, maybe not 12 centimeters. Maybe I should do 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe I should do 8 more centimeters and then do 4 centimeters of ribbing. No, I don't want 4 centimeters of ribbing. So I'll do 10 centimeters and then 2 centimeters of ribbing. Yes, okay. So I'm gonna knit for 10 more centimeters to show you that I am done with the 3rd skein of yarn. Yeah, so I'm going to knit 10 more centimeters. My head is cut off, sorry. And then do 2 centimeters of ribbing because I don't want my bottom ribbing to be as thick as my top waistband ribbing because my waistband ribbing is 4 centimeters. So I think 2 centimeters will be good at the top of that. And let me do this, put my stitch marker here. Yes, okay. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have this ball of yarn. I am hoping, so this is my next one. I'm hoping that this is a different dye lot so that the next like 8 centimeters can be a different dye lot. I love when yarn that variegates like this has different, hold on, there was another stitch marker I had on here and I don't know if I moved it or not. Oh crap. It would have been here. So I think I did move it. I think I did take it off. Whatever. Yeah, I'm hoping that it's a different dye lot. So that, or like the variation and the variegation is different so that it can look different. Just like how this looks different from this, I am hoping the next section looks very different. Maybe I should pull from the outside if I want that to happen. Ooh. I'm thinking. Okay, let me pull from the middle and see what the middle gives me, and then I'll make a decision. Anyway, that is all that I have for now. I haven't been, I didn't really knit yesterday. I knit a little bit, but not enough to like show progress, I think. But I am glad that I am below my knees a little bit, and that means I am close to finishing this. It's so long now. I'm loving it. I don't know how many days later it is. Maybe it's a couple days later. I did not knit at all yesterday. I knitted for like 20 minutes yesterday, but that feels like I didn't knit at all. I have made it to the length that I want before the ribbing. So I'm going to make this entire thing 80 centimeters, which is like mid-shin, or like just below mid-shin. It's mid-shin because I'm imagining blocking is going to stretch it out, and then over time the weight of it will probably stretch it out as well. Not immediately, since this is a super lightweight yarn, but I imagine it will after a little while. And I'm going to switch to 6.5mm needles. Even though I want it to be a flared-ish skirt, I do want the bottom edging to be a little neater than what 7mm can give me, since I'm on 7mm right now. So I'm going to switch these out so that I can start the ribbing. And I'm going to be done with the skirt today. Today's Wednesday, which means tomorrow, no, which means later today, because it's only 2 p.m. That means later today I can start on my top and start getting my numbers for it and start writing the pattern for it. I'm not going to write the pattern yet. I'm going to do my own version first, and then I will write the pattern after, because I'll have the numbers that I need, because I'm going to write out my size. So basically I'm going to grade my size and write that out, and then after I do that I'll be able to write out the pattern, because I would have already done the blueprint for one size, which that size isn't even going to go into the pattern because I'm going by like 5s or whatever, and my bust is, it fits in between sizes, which I'm just going to make my exact size. But I'm going to be creating a tutorial on how to get exact sizes anyway, so yeah, if you're interested in that, that will be coming very soon with that exact, I'm literally going to show you my exact top and my exact, like, how to do that. So for now, let's start on the ribbing of the skirt. I also forgot to say that I only have this much left of the 4th skein, so I'll be tapping into a 5th skein for the skirt, but it's fine because I will have enough for my top, okay? I am 100% sure that I'll have enough for my top. So I'm going to use the outside of this because I'm loving this color. Woo! So I'm going to use the outside and do the ribbing. I finished. Boom. All done. And it's not that long, actually. Okay, yes it is. You can't see, and I'm not about to show it. But tomorrow I'm going to block it out so that everything lays all nice and flat. And then I'm going to start on the top tomorrow. I'm going to start doing the math for it. And then I'm going to... yeah, I'm going to do the math for it, and then I'm going to record some things for the new series, and then, yeah, and then actually start knitting it. Because I can always write up the pattern after. I don't need to knit it to show how to design the actual sweater. I don't need to knit the sweater for the series to design it, so... I'm very excited, and I cannot wait to see how the top comes out, because this came out exactly how I wanted it to go. Well, we'll see after it's blocked. Oh, I didn't show the bottom. Here's the bottom ribbing. I didn't do a folded edge, but I did do 2x2 rib, and I did about 2.5, 3 centimeters, and I'm so excited. Let me show you. I'm gonna put this on. And so this is the waistband currently. So I'm gonna put elastic in it to snatch it up, and then we will block it. I have just finished grading my sweater because I finished knitting on my skirt, okay? So that's blocking at the moment, which means now it's time to do the sweater. I do not need to knit my sweater on video for my how to become a knitwear designer video. So honestly, this is gonna be next week's video. This top is gonna be next week's video because I just realized today is Thursday and I need to end off this video. So I'm glad I finished the skirt. You didn't see the finished product, but if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you have seen it on me. I tried many times to put an elastic in a waistband, and each time it kept popping, okay? So someone told me that I should thread it through the waistband 3 times and then it'll be all stretchy and nice and all that. Okay, we shall see, because I have attempted it 3 times and each time it popped. So hopefully the 4th time is the best time for this. Yeah, anyway, that's all that I have for this video. I'm so glad I surpassed my goal with this skirt, because I just wanted it to be below my knees and it is on the mats right now. So amazing, amazing. Next week, I am going to start the top. No, this week, because it's Thursday, I'm going to start the top. Yeah, I'm gonna start the top today, and then I'm going to hopefully finish it by next week. Maybe I'm thinking it's possible. Let's see. Anyway, that's all I have. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to subscribe if you're new and you haven't done so already. Give it a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. You don't have to follow me on Twitter. I don't really post on there. So Instagram and TikTok, because I post so many updates in between. So if you want to see all the in between things, follow me on there, and I will see you guys next week. Goodbye.